How to fix couldn't save contact changes problem. If you are facing the couldn't change contact problem on your device, then here's how to fix it. Firstly, on your device, navigate to the Settings app and open it. In the Settings app at the very top, you will see your Apple ID. Click on your Apple ID to open it. After you open it, you will see different options like this. Click on the option iCloud. Inside iCloud, you will see a section called Apps using iCloud. Click on Show All. Here find the application Contacts and make sure that it's turned on. Now go back to your settings main page. Scroll down and select the option General. Then tap on the option iPhone Storage. Inside iPhone Storage, check for your storage. Make sure that you have enough storage. If you have insufficient storage, then try deleting unnecessary photos or applications. Now go back to your previous page. Also check for your Wi-Fi connection. You can even try to switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi connection to see if that helps. After you have done this, then go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. Also, don't forget to check for software updates. Open Settings and go to the option General. Inside General, tap on the first option Software Update. Check for any software updates that may be available, and if there are, then update those. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.